Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we'll take a look at a smartwatch from TOZO. This is the S5 Smartwatch. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the TOZO S5 Smartwatch. This is a budget-friendly smartwatch that has a nice design. So basically what happened was I actually sold my Pixel watch and I really wanted to just try out a whole bunch of different watches. So I actually bought the Galaxy Watch 6 and then I bought the Apple Watch Ultra, but this was always inside my wish list. So big shout out to TOZO for actually sending this out to me. It does have a beautiful design and is under $70. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Health monitoring, it has a 1.43 inch AMOLED screen. It does have the IP68 waterproof. It has 100 sports modes, and it does have a couple of other features. As you can see from the Amazon listing from right here, you can actually make phone calls, and you could text, and you could do emails, and you could do the social media alert. So as far as everything else, let's not make this video super long. It does have a clean box, and I'm just so curious to see how it looks next to my Galaxy Watch 7. So let's just pop this baby out. I am very eager to actually check this out. All right, so let's pop this out. It says that it does work with the Apple Store as well, and it does work with Android, so that is pretty dope that it will work on both platforms, because a lot of these watches nowadays you can only use it for one type of system. So really cool that you're able to use it for Apple and for Android, because it's using the Bluetooth platform. All right, so as far as this paperwork right here, it's showing that you can attach a band to it, slide one of the bands into the watch while pressing the quick lever. Okay, so it's very similar to the one that I have for my Watch 7. So I'm very curious to see how. Oh, look at the presentation on this. This is beautiful presentation. You do have these different options here, and it actually tells you what's inside. So you have your user manual, of course. All right, so as far as the manual, you guys could pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. As you can see from there, all the information of how to use it, how to use the sport button, and how to use the screen display function button and all that good stuff. So let's get right into what else is in the box. So it looks like it has a charger that can only be used for this watch. So it has a proprietary charging cable. It looks very similar to the one that I used to have for the Pebble smartwatch from maybe like 6-7 years ago, if you guys remember Pebble. And we have the band itself. Let's see what type of band this is. It's probably going to be a silicone band. That's how it is usually. And we could pop this out, see what it looks like. All right, just like so. And we have the black silicone band, like I said earlier, as you can see. So what do you guys think? Very nice material, and it does have a matte feel to it, so you cannot see no type of fingerprints. Finally, take out the watch for itself. I made a big mess here, but I will be cleaning it up. So you have your function button. Oh, this looks very similar to the Samsung Galaxy. Oh man, look at the material. So it does have a nice weight to it. So it is very solid, as you can see from here. This does actually look like a rotating bezel, but it's not a rotating bezel, and it does have the matte look all the way around. Very nice looking watch here. So let's see what type of size, what it says here. So it says Designed by TOZO 46mm aluminum case, S5, water resistant, IP68, assembled in China. So this is a really cool looking smartwatch. Let's see if we could just pop this baby on and see what it looks like. And if you want to put it side by side with the Samsung Galaxy Watch and the Ultra, we can do that as well. So basically how you do this is you just have to use your fingernail, and you just have to push down just like so. So what you do is you put one side on, and then you squeeze down, and then it should actually bring down the clip. Then it clips in just like so. Same thing for the other side, just like so. Pop that on real quick, and there you go. This is the TOZO S5 Smartwatch. So let's just power this baby on. There you go. And it does have a nice crown on this as well. Really nice material. You got the English on deck, and now we just have to set it up. But before we set it up, I do want to compare it to some watches real quick. Let's just see what it looks like side by side with some other watches. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. As you can see, they are very similar as far as size, and as far as color, and as far as designs. It is very similar, as you can see from there. And if we put it next to the Apple Watch Ultra, I do have a case on this one as well. As you can see from there, super different, but they both have big screens. So let me set this up real quick, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, now we are now back. As you can see, I am all set up. Let me just take it off so I could show you a few things. So I did actually have to download the TOZO Wear app. As you can see from here, I actually have some screenshots, but as you can see, there's so many cool features when it comes to this UI. And as far as the app, when it comes to exercise, when it comes to your contacts, when it comes to different watch faces, as you can see from here, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of screenshots that I've taken when it comes to the watch. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of different watch faces here. Really cool system right here. So I actually paired it up, TOZO S5 EAD, and I did have the pairing request, and I was all set up. So now my first impressions of it, I think that the quality of the actual watch itself is very similar to the Galaxy watches, which are hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. But as far as this band, this will be the only thing that I would actually change, because it does have that cheap feeling to it. So I will have a link down below if there's any bands that you can actually replace it with. But as far as everything on this, it is really cool for the price. So it just boggles my mind that they're actually able to make a watch at this price point, and it actually works with Apple, and it works with Android devices, and it looks as good as this. This is insane. I am highly impressed. Has a nice feeling in the hand. It's like really something that you just cannot make up. Like, look how cool these watch faces are. Like, seriously. Alright, so I just want to show you how the app looks real quick. As you can see from here, they have the 4 options on the bottom: the health, the exercise, your device, and your account. So it has the heart rate monitor, as your steps, your calories, your distance. Just take into account about the price point of this, and it does all of these things, which is insane. And as far as your device right here, it actually shows your battery, and you're able to actually change the watch faces through there. Just so many cool options. Wow, look at this one on the bottom. As the Chinese New Year stuff, and you have the wake gestures, you have your brightness settings, sound setting, notification. And if you want to find your watch, you just hit it. A loudspeaker on this. You hear this? Which is pretty cool. And as far as this right here, you have a whole bunch of stuff when it comes to your achievements, just like so, and a whole bunch of badges. And if you want to do any type of customer service or any type of feedback, you can do that as well. So for the price so far, these are my initial impressions. I think that this is definitely a win if you guys need a backup watch for work, or if you want to wear this on a night out and you do not want to spend a whole bunch of hundreds of dollars on smartwatches like this watch right here, the Watch 7 or the Apple Watch Ultra. This is definitely not gonna hit your wallet, and trust me, it will look just as good. You see how close these actually look to each other? They are very similar. Unbelievable. So if you guys want to buy this watch, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of TOZO products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.